It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Big news for Shib. The price of Shiba Inu is going to double tonight. Cryptocurrency is becoming more widely used and accepted. It seems like every day brings a new cryptocurrency, like Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu. Developed on the Ethereum platform, Shiba Inu is a brand new blockchain network for Shiba Inu at Layer 2. As a result, Shiba Inu will evolve from a memo coin into an entire ecosystem. This video will explain why Shiba Inu's price is going to quadruple this evening. Large Shib and EWS. To view our latest videos regarding expert forecasts and Shiba Inu pricing, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It is time to begin the film. In addition to becoming one of the 20 most valuable cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu has become a well-known joke coin. The Shiba Inu team has been working steadily on many projects. It is well known that the Shib environment has achieved significant milestones and standards. New information indicates that on April 18, Binance chose to remove Shiba Inu from the innovation zone, marking a significant milestone. Not only that, but FracShare Trust, Wallet Token, and 1inch have already been removed from the innovation zone. The innovation zone was established to provide Binance users with a secure environment to trade innovative and creative projects, according to Binance's announcement. It is possible that some of these projects have proven their value and achieved the level of quality we anticipate as time goes on. After much deliberation, Binance, the cryptocurrency exchange, has decided to remove Shib and the other tokens from the innovation zone. After Binance examined Tidjara Abib's work based on numerous variables, it accomplished this milestone. Completes a network stress test. A script to generate millions of wallets was created by someone. The number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shiba Inu network, is going higher, and everyone is curious as to why. There have been rumors recently that the network was stress tested by having a script generate millions of wallets. An official from the Shiba Inu-based NFT project Shib Pixel Pups recently tweeted that their script generated more than 9.5 million PuppyNet wallets and processed more than 3 million transactions during the beta network's testing phase. According to the team member, they were also in charge of making about 1,620 tokens on the test network. The SPDAO and SPX tokens, both issued by Shib Pixel Pups DAO, are part of this set. At this time, puppies can about 13.3 million wallet addresses and 3.47 million transactions have been recorded on the official block explorer of the network. It should be noted that the number of wallets recently surged to over 5 million, an increase of 86% in just 2 days. This storyline was responsible for this phenomenal rise. The point of the test network, as Satoshi Kusama has repeatedly stated, is to let interested parties to run various tests on the network to ensure its functionality and reliability before it goes live on the mainnet. The Shiba Inu had complete control. All tokens and transactions shown on the testnet are fictitious and exist solely for the purpose of testing. You can learn a lot about the blockchain's scalability and efficiency by writing a script to generate millions of wallets on the test network. It can also aid in the detection of errors that may occur throughout the procedure. Finding out the network's reliability requires stress testing it. When creating the scripts, the developers aim to test the network's capacity to manage heavy traffic events such as games and airdrops. In addition, they promise to test the network's ability to manage transaction durations and other factors by running an airdrop script. Nothing has gone wrong thus far in March, according to the reports. What a remarkable job the Shib burns have done. 544 transactions involving 6.78 billion Shib tokens were conducted in March. Up from just 540 transactions destroying 9.05 billion Shib in the preceding months, this was a significant increase. With 2,433 transactions destroying 9.05 billion Shib in October 2022, this was the greatest burn to date. More than 34.9 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 transactions yesterday, with a single wallet accounting for 25.31% of that total. This information was revealed by the Shib burn tracker. Coinbase 10, a wallet associated with Coinbase, sent 25,313,097 Shib to the burn address in a single transaction, making it the largest transaction. As a result of this deal, the overall burn rate at IB increased by 128% from 2.93 million Sachet the day before. The futures market is also showing signs of an upward trend. The amount of active positions that investors have taken in contracts, known as open interest (OI), has been on the rise for Shiba Inu since the beginning of March. The total number of open futures contracts has topped 2.4 trillion Shib, or around $26.78 million, as reported by CoinLast. Only around $18 million was OI a month ago. Traders' growing interest in Shib is indicated by the increase in open interest. Starting in early February, the price of Shib reached its all-time high of $0.011591. The OI was at $47.3 million as of the time of print, as well as the Shiba Inu's MSRP of $1,083. An ascending triangle, a continuation pattern, is presently forming in the Shib price, according to NewsBTC. After falling to $0 and 1,064 cents today, Shib has made a new higher bottom, indicating that the uptrend is still valid. Traders may see a victorious side emerge from the bullish and bearish camps before April's conclusion. The open interest in Shiba Inu's futures has lately attracted the attention of investors. 2.44 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million, was the peak of OI. This is a continuation of the gradual increase that started a month ago. People are predicting that the price will skyrocket because this increasing trend indicates a new surge of demand. In the futures market, the term open interest refers to the sum of all open futures contracts that have not yet been filled or cancelled. The total number of contracts owned by market players that are still active is what it is broken down as. A large increase in an asset's open interest indicates that traders are positioning themselves for potential price adjustments, and a large amount of new capital is entering the market. According to data collected by CoinLast, an online hub for futures trading analysis, the open interest in Shiba Inu has increased by about 52% from its low point of $18.05 million on March 13. The price has risen to $27.51 million, or $2.44 trillion, Shib units. The OI chart shows that the price movement of Shib is related to its open interest. In most cases, the price of Shib will rise in tandem with its OI. The open interest OI reached 3.2 trillion tokens, or $47.3 million, on February 5. Concurrently, the asset's value reached its all-time high of 0.1527, which it maintained throughout the year. On the other hand, the asset's price and OI both began to decline after February 5. Open interest has been on the rise since March 13, when it touched rock bottom. Together with the price as investors anticipate, the trading volume on Binance has been steadily